It's strategic planning season, and everyone is so excited about it. No, you're not. Because deep down, you know strategic planning's broken. It's a time-consuming exercise with minimal ROI. But here's the good news. I'm going to show you how you can fix it using AI. I'm Lisa Bodell, and I'm the CEO of FutureThink, and I've got a new webinar that you and your team need now. It's called How to Build a Smarter Strategic Plan, powered by AI. I'm going to show you how to make strategic planning simpler, faster, and actually useful with prompts that turn planning into action. With the right approach, AI becomes your planning support, and it helps you uncover blind spots, pressure test decisions, better position yourself versus the competition, prepare for wildcard scenarios, build a quarterly roadmap, and communicate your plan with confidence. You and your team also get an AI prompt guide and a strategic planning worksheet with over 20 prompts to better start your strategic planning right away. So stop repeating the same process and expecting better results. Email me at innovate@futurethink.com to schedule a webinar for your team today.